Alright, first we're gonna put some butter. We're gonna spread that around. I don't know why she ain't spreading it around right now because she should spread it everywhere. But we're gonna let the butter get everywhere, all in your pan. And we're gonna add some onions. Good old onions. Now you're gonna brown those onions and make them get clear, get all that good onion and butter flavor in them. Now we're gonna add in our hash browns. Kind of chop them up, make sure they all separate. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna just let them saute a little bit before we put our seasoning. Here we go. We're gonna put some onion powder, a little garlic powder, little Lawry's, and some Tony Chachere's. Now I don't know why she got all that in there, but it's to taste, so you got to do what you like. And she like it like that, and she cooks pretty good, so it's good. Now here's some salt and pepper. We'll get you a good little salt and pepper in there. Pink salt is actually better for you, but use whatever kind of salt you got. And here we go. There's the pepper. Now we're gonna mix that up, mix it all good, and make it all nice and homogeneous. I like using that word. Get that together, and we're gonna let our hash browns brown. As you can see, now they're kind of getting a little bit of a consistency, so they can kind of stick together a little bit. They browned off. And now we're gonna mix them around a little bit just to make sure that we have the right consistency. And we're gonna take them up out of here and put them on the plate very, very shortly. Here we go. We're taking them off and putting them on the plate. Make sure you get everything in there. There's starving kids in Africa and everything. Don't want to miss nothing. Get all this goodness all up on your plate. And make it nice. Here we go. She touching it, but she did wash her hands. But make sure that your hands are clean and all your stuff is clean because COVID. You know what I mean? Add a little bit of this cheese in here. Now, some more butter. We're going back to the pan. More butter, make it more better. Remember what I said before? You get it all over the place. That's how you got to do it. See, that's what you're supposed to do. Get the butter all over there. Now your butter's going to be pretty good. Here we're going to add our little sausage crumbles. You can use whatever kind of sausage you like. Personally, I like turkey sausage, but there's all kinds that you can get. But we're going to add our little sausage crumbles and let them cook down into that butter for a little bit. Let them get brown. Get them just a little bit of browning off. You see they're already well cooked, but we just want them to get them warm and get them to the point that we need them. Here we go. We move them off to the side. Let them still cook. Gonna get our eggs all ready. All right, crack one. Throw it up in there. Make sure you get all of that. And number 2. She's pretty good at that. I guess I taught her pretty good. Here's another. One, two, treat. As we say in Louisiana, that's treat eggs in there. We've let those cook, but we gotta have a little seasoning on them, so a little salt and pepper. Again, use the pink salt; it's better for you. And here's some pepper. If you like, throw a little cayenne pepper in there. She's using black pepper today, which is actually good for hash browns. It's a little bit of a better flavor. So now once your eggs are cooked a little solid, so you're gonna mix that and your little sausage crumbles together and kind of mix it together like you're making scrambled eggs, but you're putting them all together right there. Now that you got them all to a good consistency, they all scrambled up together, we're gonna make sure that everything is all cooked well. And guess where we're going now? To the plate. See how our cheese is melted just a little bit, and you're gonna take your eggs and sausage mixture and you're gonna put that right on top. A little bit more, a little bit more. There you go. Look good, don't it? Here we go. We got the final, almost final right now, but here we go. We're gonna put a little cheese on it, on your top. Get you some good flavor on top of there too. And once we got enough cheese that we actually like, however much you like at that particular point in time, we're gonna take that cheese and that mixture and we're gonna pop it into the microwave for a short time and just melt it down just a little bit. See, there you go, melt it down. Not too much. Maybe 15-30 seconds, just enough to get it to where you want it to be. And here we go. We put a little bit more pepper on here after your cheese is all melted. And right now, it's looking like it's almost done. This is almost to the time where you're gonna put it in the good place. That's right in your mouth. Mix it up a little bit, make sure everything is all together. Get your hash browns and your eggs and your sausage crumbles and your cheese all to a place where it's all in one. Now if you like a little bit more, you can also add a little bit more cheese on top. I don't know why she adding so much cheese. Man, y'all gonna be stocked up. I don't know what's gonna happen after this, but it's gonna taste good, so we good with that, right? Right. And we're done. Enjoy. Bon appetit. Man, she heavy-handed with that pepper, huh?